Hi there, Johnny here. Today I'm gonna make some bread. Yeah, just gonna see how that goes. Gonna use a handful of ingredients. Gonna use bread flour, wheat flour, some pea salt, and some yeast, and some water too. That's it. Let's get cooking. Alrighty, our dough is looking nice and puffy and doughy. Now it's time to put it in the fridge for about 24 hours and put it in the oven tomorrow. I see you tomorrow, my sweet bread. All right, look at that. These loaves are looking beautiful. Time to slice them up and see how I did.